Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Mulan from Management, class 20A. I want to explain about capital budgeting. Capital budgeting is a process that business use to evaluate potential major project or investment, building a new plan or taking a large stage in an outside vendor are examples of initiative that typically require capital budgeting before they are approved or rejected by management. As part of capital budgeting, a company might assess a prospective project, lifetime cash inflow and outflow to determine whether the potential return it would generate meet a sufficient target benchmark. The capital budgeting process is also known an investment appraisal. Ideally, business could pursue any and all projects and opportunities that might change shareholder value and profit. However, because the amount of capital any business has available for new projects is limited, management often use capital budgeting techniques to determine which project will yield the best return over an applicable period. Discount cash flow analysis. Analysis look at the initial cash outflow needed to fund a project, the mix of cash inflow in the form of revenue, and other future outflow is the form of maintenance and other costs. That cash flow expect for the initial outflow are discounted back to the present debt. The resulting number from the DCF analysis is the net present value. Payback analysis is the simple form of capital budgeting analysis, but is also the less accurate. It is still widely used because it's quick and can give manager a back of the envelope understanding of the real value of a proposal project. Payback analysis calculates how long it will take to recoup the cost of an investment. The payback period is identified by dividing the initial investment in the project by the average yearly cash inflow that the project will generate. Throughput analysis. Throughput analysis is the most complicated method of capital budgeting analysis, but is also the most accurate in helping managers decide which project to pursue. Under this method, the entire company is considered as a single profit-generating system. Throughput is measured as an amount of material passing through the system. The analysis assumes that nearly all costs are operating expense. The company needs to maximize the throughput of the entire system to pay for expense, and the way to maximize profit is to maximize the throughput passing through a bottleneck operating. A bottleneck is the resource in the system that requires the longest time in operation. Example of capital budgeting decision. Capital budgeting decisions are often associated with choosing to undertake a new project that will expand a company's current operation. Opening a new store location, for example, would be one such decision for a fast food chain or clothing retailer. What is the difference between capital budgeting and working capital management? Working capital management is a company-wide process that evaluates current projects to determine whether they are adding value to the business, while capital budgeting focuses on expanding the current operation or asset of the business. The bottom line, capital budgeting is a useful tool that companies can use to navigate whether to devote capital to a practical new project or investment. There are several capital budgeting methods the manager can use ranging from the crude but quick to the more complex and sophisticated. allocated. That's all I can explain. Thank you for watching and listening to me.